This device right here is the latest addition to Infinix Smart lineup. The Smart 8 is an upgrade to its predecessor and stands out among devices priced below 100,000 naira and has a high refresh rate, remarkably loud speakers, an eye-catching magic ring, and a worthy upgrade from its predecessor. What's up guys, it's Michael. The Smart 8 is available in various price variants reflecting different storage options. This ranges from 82,000 naira for the base model with 3GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, 88,000 naira for the 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and finally 98,000 naira for the 4GB RAM coupled with 128GB of internal storage. One standout feature of the Smart 8 is this hole punch cutout housing the magic ring. Although seemingly simple, it proves highly practical by providing notification for phone charging, face unlock, and low battery scenarios. Moreover, the screen boasts of a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals on its moderately bright 6.6-inch display, not suitable for outdoor use with a peak brightness of 500 nits. Despite the screen's 720p resolution, content consumption isn't limited to that resolution. We get a refreshed design from its predecessor that was released earlier this year. This includes integrating the LED ring flash within the camera lens housing, relocating the fingerprint sensor to the side, adopting a boxier design yet maintaining a lightweight feel. This device comes in 3 storage variants which are black, green, and gold. Despite being the most potent smartphone in its price range, the Smart 8 utilizes the 12nm T606 from Unisoc, performing adequately with basic apps, fitting for an entry-level device. However, gaming exposes its limitation. This device struggles with heavy games. To play high-end games, you must lower the graphics settings and the frame rate significantly to enjoy gameplay on the Smart 8. The Smart 8 runs on Android 13 Go edition with Infinix own custom skin XOS 13, which is well optimized for Google apps that are installed on it for a good user experience, though we still get lots of pre-installed apps and Bluetooth which most can be disabled. Infinix claimed that the speakers on the Smart 8 is 200% louder. Well, we are going to test that now. That is the highest. Now let's reduce it. Now I'm going to increase it to the loudest, which is 200%. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about the speakers on the Infinix Smart 8. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor, while not the quickest, is effective. Additionally, there is a face unlock option that visually displays its activation on the magic ring. The camera arrangement at the rear, inspired by the Lord of the Rings, features a 13+03MP lens with a quad flash at the rear. However, it delivers entry-level photos and videos which are decent for its price, and surprisingly, the selfie camera produces a decent photo with its 8MP lens. What's up guys, it's Michael. So this is a front-facing camera test on the Infinix Smart 8, which has an 8MP selfie lens with an LED flash which you can use in dark places or at night. And also we are currently shooting at the highest video rate, which is 1080p at 30 frames per second. So let me know in the comment section below of what you think about the front-facing camera of the Infinix Smart 8. What's up guys, it's Michael. As you can see, I'm stretching my hands because I'm using the rear facing camera of the Infinix Smart 8, which is the 13MP lens at the rear, and I'm currently shooting at the highest video resolution, which is 1080p at 30 frames per second. And this device has no image stabilization. As you can see, I am running and there's no image stabilization. So let me know what you think about the video quality and the audio quality in the comment section below. The 0.3MP lens is only used for depth of field when you are taking portrait shots. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. The 5000 mAh battery sufficiently lasts for a day based on my usage, but charging it with the included 10W power brick through the Type-C port takes a significantly long time when the battery is low. Unfortunately, it lacks compatibility for fast charging with other bricks. To the left, we have a card tray that accommodates dual 4G nano SIMs and an SD card up to 1TB. At the bottom, you'll find the headphone jack, mic, USB-C ports and speaker grills. On the right, the volume rockers are situated with the power button beneath it, also serving as the fingerprint scanner.